Okay, wait. No gym membership. No fancy products. No 12-step skincare routine that takes longer than your math homework. And definitely no sketchy DIYs using ketchup and honey smells like a failed science experiment. I used what I already had. A bottle of water, an old mirror, school breaks, and mindset upgrade. And guess what? I went from tired and dull to clean girl energy, all while still doing school, still wearing a uniform, and still living that teen life. This is your 7-day full body glow up. No money, no magic, just pure smart routine. Let's go. Okay, wait, before you say, so I'll drink water on day 2 and then evaporate? Nope. These glow up habits like skincare, hydration, hygiene, they're for every single day. I just gave each day one main focus so your brain doesn't explode with 17 tasks. It's like school. You don't forget math just because it's science, period. Same logic. So don't worry. You're becoming that girl layer by layer, not all at once. Day 1, deep reset. Why it matters. You can't glow when your state of mind are messy. Day 1 is about removing mental fog and physical laziness. Clean your space, just one area. Example, clean your school table or just your school bag. Why? A tidy space gives you motivation. You'll wake up tomorrow without the stress of a mess. School socks. Take a full shower. Not just your face. Wash neck, underarms, back, legs. Use a towel or loofah to remove dead skin. Don't have a scrub? Use Basan gram flour with water. Hair wash. Wash it properly and let it dry naturally. Oiling can wait till night. Don't skip school because your hair is oily. Digital detox, delete TikToks, Reels, or spam pages that waste your energy. Follow 2 pages that inspire you. Glow up tips, motivation, journaling, etc. Day 2. Water, skin, and confidence. Why it matters. Skin glow comes from water plus basic hygiene, not makeup. And confidence makes you look instantly prettier. Drink 5 to 7 glasses of water. Use a cute bottle if it helps. Sip during school breaks. Simple face routine. Face wash twice daily. No need for fancy creams. Just use a light moisturizer, or you can use Vaseline, aloe gel, or anything you already have. Moisturize hands, feet, lips. Before sleeping, apply lotion or Vaseline to dry areas. Soft skin feels good and looks clean. Iron your uniform. Trust me, a neat dress changes your full look. Day 3, hair and hygiene upgrade. Why it matters. Neat hair, fresh breath, clean nails. These little things make you look well kept, even in a uniform. Comb your hair gently. Detangle ends first. Avoid breakage. Apply light oil at night like coconut, amla, or baby oil. Try a clean school hairstyle. 2 ponytails? Make them sleek. Use a toothbrush to fix baby hair. Add cute clips if allowed. Simple but neat. Nail care, trim nails. Clean under them. Push back cuticles with a towel after shower. Use a fragrance spray, perfume, or deo lightly on clothes. Don't have one? Dab rose water on your wrist, neck. School bag glow kit. Lip balm, tissue or wipes, compact mirror, small deo or mint. Day 4, food and energy fix. Why it matters. You can't glow if your body is tired inside. Food equals fuel. This day is about internal health and stamina. Eat a fruit, banana, orange, guava, or anything available. Vitamin C helps your skin glow. Pack healthier snacks, roasted nuts, cucumbers, or homemade chaat. Avoid oily canteen snacks for one day. Hydrate more. Take sips in school, not just during PE. Add lemon or mint to make it fun. Sleep early, no screen after 10 p.m. Try listening to calming music while sleeping. Day 5. Movement posture. Why it matters. Posture and movement make you look more confident and alive, instantly glowing without makeup. Stretch for 10 minutes. Shoulder rolls, leg stretches, neck circles. Do it in your pajamas after waking up. Walk with purpose. Chin up, back straight, smile. In class, corridors, or even at home. Confident energy, sit up straight. Walk like you belong in a room. Don't rush. Don't fidget. Day 6, soft beauty, self-love. Why it matters. No cream makes you glow like kindness, self-love. Soft girl era equals inside out. Write a love note to yourself. I like my eyes. I love how I try. Keep it where you can see it daily. Try a minimal glow-up lip balm, tidy eyebrows, tiny earrings if allowed. Not for others, just for you. Compliment someone. I love your handwriting. Your notes are so clean. Day 7, final glow-up touch. Why it matters. You're glowing now, time to maintain it. Moisturize after shower, wear clean socks and tidy shoes. Check yourself in the mirror. Pack your school bag the night before. Breathe and say, I did this. This glow is mine. You don't need money. You just need intention. You just need 7 days to respect your body, skin, energy, and presence. And if you want to keep glowing even in class, click this How to stay fresh all day in school.